Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milk made with milk powder. Use a 1:4 powder to water ratio, warm water to 40 degrees C, and whisk until smooth. Start with cold or room temperature water if you prefer chilled milk, then chill after mixing. Taste and adjust sweetness or richness with more powder or a splash of cream. Store in a sealed container in the fridge and shake before serving. Gather milk powder, filtered water, a whisk or frother, and an optional sweetener or cream. Measure carefully. Too much powder makes the milk pasty, and too little makes it weak. Warm water around 40 degrees C helps dissolve the powder quickly and prevents lumps. For chilled milk, mix with room temperature water then cool. For hot drinks, dissolve in warm water directly. Always store leftovers in a sealed container in the fridge. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold, is easy to carry, and is perfect when you are measuring and mixing in the kitchen. I link it in the description along with other deals and tools I use, so check that out if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Start by making a paste with a little water and the measured powder to eliminate lumps straight away. Slowly add the rest of the water while whisking vigorously or using a frother to keep the texture smooth and silky. For richer milk, add a splash of cream or an extra scoop of powder and blend briefly. Taste and adjust sweetness, then chill the milk and shake gently before serving to keep it fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.